We're just doing some work real quick. Jamie had this poem that she came from school, and I think this would be a great opportunity for us to talk about some math stuff that'll help make your math life easy and to show you something really cool. And I'm really documenting this because I want to capture Jamie's reaction when she learns this thing that I show high school kids sometimes. I show a handful of high school kids, not even all of them. But so I'm really excited for this. That's why I'm recording this. All right, here we go. So, Jamie, what is this?
These little lines are parentheses.
Okay, so this is a problem that she came home with. She says, "Hey, Dad, we learned this at school today, that they're multiplying." I was like, okay. I said, I thought it was a regular multiplication with oh, were y'all doing like this, 12 times 3? And she was like, no, we did something else. I said, okay, what'd y'all do? So she showed me something like this. All right, so Jamie, go ahead and show me how you would do this. Please, go ahead.
How I would do this is I would put a parenthesis first. Then I would write down a number that...
Go ahead, do it. I want you to do it. And I'm going to ask you some questions as you do this.
Okay.
If you make a mistake, it's okay.
Because we have an eraser.
Well, you already have that written down up here. We don't need to rewrite it again. You already have it. All right, so go ahead. What should the next step be?
What the next step be?
So what she did earlier was she did this and she wrote down the answer. And I was like, okay, that's great, but we want to see your thinking. Like when you're in math class and you're doing stuff, you want to see what were your thoughts? What did you think about this? What did you think about this? What did you think about this? And then what did you do about it? Because sometimes our friends are going to need help and we're not going to know where they got lost. We're just going to know, oh, your answer is wrong. Go change it. Okay, well, where did I go wrong? Can you please help me? I'm stuck. I'm lost. And when you don't know how to do math, you're going to feel lost and stuck. So I don't know what to do. I don't know. But someone that does know can come and say, okay, well, what did you do here? We found it right here. Now we've got to fix this piece, and then the rest of it is great. All right, so we want to show our thinking. So Jamie, show us your thinking.
Okay.
All right, what was this?
That was a 4 times 10.
And what is this?
40.
Very good, okay. And now let's go ahead and go to the next step. Very good. What is this?
A 400.
It's missing something though. This guy has something that he doesn't have. Why does he have it? Why doesn't he have it?
It's because he has a 10 and he doesn't.
Okay, but there's something even more. This is what are these things around the 40? Why isn't there things around him? Oh, okay. So why did you put them there?
Because he has a parenthesis. Because these two have parentheses.
Okay. So he had the parentheses. So this answer, whatever happened on the inside, is going to keep the parentheses. And then this plus, you brought him down. He doesn't have parentheses, okay? Then these guys gave you this, and this guy had parentheses, and this guy. Okay, great. Now let's do that last piece. And then this looks different than this. Oh, okay, very good. So now, what would you do with these 3 pieces now?
What I would do, I would take the 10s first and plus.
Okay, go ahead, do it. Let's see what your final answer is. If you got to put it underneath here, it's totally fine too. We can just erase it. So you're drawing that to show that you're going to combine all those things. And what is that?
A 7.
A 7? How'd you get a 7?
Because 4 plus 3 equals 7.
Okay, and then what did you erase that was behind it?
A 0.
So why did you put it? Why did you erase it? Okay, and that's all? Is that what you got when you added all 3 of these guys up?
No.
Okay, so who do you still need to add to him?
We need to add the 400.
So go ahead and do it. And then what's your final answer going to be? All right, and put a little box around it. That way we know that you're finished with your work. All right, so Jamie did all this stuff and she added it all together. And then she went ahead and wrapped it in parentheses, right? So that's what this is going to be about. We're going to talk about, you can talk about parentheses right now. So here we go. Ready, Jamie? Let's go here.
I'm ready.
Whenever you see a parentheses, what does that mean? What's going to be happening?
It means that we're going to still add more multiplications to like the addition thing and find out what the whole answer is instead of like using most of your time doing it one by one by one and by one.
Okay, I heard you say a really good word about this little parenthesis. Sorry, I had to erase that. What's going to happen? Okay, in math, you need to know this. Parentheses means multiplication. What does parentheses mean?
Multiplication.
You are going to be multiplying whenever you see parentheses. You are always going to multiply whenever you see parentheses. Well, I know she multiplied here. I know, but watch. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you. This is why we're doing this. Here we go. Ready? Watch this. And whenever you multiply, you're going to multiply whoever's on the outside to whoever's on the inside of the parentheses. So watch this. If I have this, 2 and a 3. Jamie, what's going to happen here?
We are going...
Wait, start over. What are we going to do? What are we going to have to do?
What we are going to have to do is add them both together.
We can't add. Because
multiply them.
How do you know we're going to multiply?
Because parentheses.
Parentheses. Whenever you see parentheses, you're going to be multiplying. So who's going to be multiplying?
The numbers.
The numbers where? We said it earlier.
From the outside and the inside.
The numbers on the outside to whoever's on the inside. So who's on the outside?
The outside is 2.
Okay, so what are you going to do with that 2, Jamie?
We are going to carry it and put it in here.
We're just going to put it? We just place it in there? So like a 23?
No.
So what do you mean? 2...
We put it in the 3. Times.
We're going to multiply.
3.
We're going to times the 3. And what are you going to get?
We're going to get a 6. A 6.
Good. And do I need to write the parentheses anymore?
No.
Why not?
Because parentheses mean multiplication.
And after you multiplied the outside to the inside, then the parentheses go away, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, I love it. You're very good. Very smart. Very smart. Now let's go here. Let's go here. If I have this problem, 3 times 5, what are we going to do?
We are going to take the 3 and times it with the 5.
Good job. How'd you know that we're multiplying?
Because if there's parentheses, it always means that we're multiplying.
Perfect. And who was multiplying?
The numbers.
Oh, then what numbers?
3 and 5.
Good. So the one that's on the
inside, outside,
gets multiplied to whoever's on the
inside.
Good job. So do it. Show me how you would do that. 3
take an arrow.
Times 5. That's what you say when you do that. You go 3 times
5.
And what does that give you?
It gives me 15.
And do you still write the parentheses?
No.
Why not?
Whenever you multiply, you don't have parentheses because whenever you multiply,
what happened to them?
they could go away because they don't last forever.
They go away. Multiplying breaks the parentheses. Okay, now watch this one. Ready? Here's the one. Here's the question right here. Watch this. That's an 8.
There's no one outside, Dada.
There's a wait. What are we supposed to do here with this 8?
We were supposed to take whatever number.
Wait, there's a math word I want to hear you say. What are we supposed to do with this 8? Add, subtract, multiply, divide.
Multiply.
How do you know we're supposed to multiply?
Because it's parentheses.
There is parentheses. And what's been the rule? Multiply who?
Whenever there's parentheses, the inside, we have to multiply the outside to the inside. Then whatever we get, we don't have to put parentheses.
Perfect. So we take who's on the outside and multiply who's on the inside.
Mm-hmm.
But who's on the outside?
No one.
No one is on the outside.
Barrier.
And now, watch this. We're going to be about to show you some fun stuff right here in the next part. To do this next part, I need us to understand something. I'll put a line here so we can just scratch it up. Watch this. Do you know what a fraction is? Can you write a fraction for me, please?
Yes.
In this area. Write a fraction for me. I don't care what it is. Is that a fraction?
Yes.
How do you know it's a fraction?
Because each time there's a line between a number, like in the middle of it, like if it's a tower, then we have to place a middle for it, like a middle line in the middle to separate them.
Perfect. And this is what makes it a fraction. This means divided by. So you read it as 8 divided by 9, right? Or 8 over 9. Okay, draw a number that's not a fraction. Any number you want. Just a number. Okay. Is this 8 a fraction?
No.
Is that 9 a fraction?
No.
How do you know that?
because they have to be in a tower to be a fraction.
Good. We want to see this little line. There's nothing underneath him, right? Okay, watch this. Watch. This. Here's a part. Here's a part. Ready? Look at this. Look at this. 2 plus 3 equals what?
5.
Okay. Are there any fractions here?
Nope.
Yes. There are fractions there. We just don't write them if we don't need them. This is the part I really wanted us to see and capture. Watch this. Is this 2 a fraction? Does it look like this? You said earlier, right? So it doesn't look like that, right? This 2 does not look like this, correct? Right? And 2 plus 3 does give us 5, right? I'm gonna make all 3 of these numbers a fraction. Is this a fraction now?
Yes.
Make that 3 a fraction. That changes it. You to make him a fraction, yes, we need the line, but we can't just put any number underneath it. It's got to be a very special number.
What number is special?
What did I put underneath there?
A 1.
That's a very special number in math. Is this a fraction? Not yet. Let's make him a fraction.
Mm-hmm.
But put that special math number there.
28.
Not a 28.
Oh. 1.
Put a 1 there. Perfect. Okay. Make this guy a fraction, please. Good. So, is this a fraction?
Yes.
Yes, these are 3 fractions. But if it's over 1, it doesn't change anything. Because 2 divided by 1 is just a 2. 3 divided by 1 is just a 3. And then 5 divided by 1 is just a 5. So we never really write it. You don't have to write it. Nobody writes it. But it is there. Just nobody talks about it. So Jamie, you know how you wrote this problem that says 8 minus 9?
Yes.
Are these fractions?
Yes.
They are fractions. Go, show me. Make them fractions. No, you can't just put any number underneath it. It's got to be a special. There we go.
Well, if 9 is a special number.
9, not a special number to your heart, a math special number. So go ahead. Not your age. Otherwise I'd put 6, 7 underneath everybody. Nope. 1, that's the number. You got to put 1. That's a very special math number when it comes to multiplication and division. Good. Are these fractions?
Yes.
Yes. But did this change the problem?
No.
8 divided by 1 is just 8. 9 divided by 1 is just 9. Leave it. If we had changed this to a 4.
8 divided by 4 equals.
8 divided by 4 is what? How many 4s are inside of an 8?
32.
No, that's multiplied. 8 divided by 4.
8 divided by 4.
If you have 8 pieces of candy divided by 4 friends, how many pieces does everybody get? 8 friends, 4 pieces.
2.
Everybody gets 2. So this is changing the 8 into a 2. That's why you can't have a number besides 1 underneath it whenever you want to make it into a fraction, right? So that 1 is a very special math number. Okay, now ready? Here we go. Watch
in
this.
the world.
Maybe not in the world, but it's very special. Watch this.
Specialist.
What number is on the outside of this 8?
Nothing.
There's nothing. You can't see one. But we're not going to put a 0 because 0 times anything makes it a 0. Why did you write a 1 there?
Because it's the specialist
It's
number.
a special number. We can bring in the 1. We don't write the 1 unless you absolutely need it. And right now we need it because we got to clear these parentheses. So now what are you going to do with this 1?
We are going to take him up in this arrow, and then we times it by 8.
And what do you get?
We get 8.
Does that have parentheses?
No.
That's why the parentheses are gone now. So ready? Let's go back to this. Let's go back to this one right here. We have 4 times 10 gave us 40. 2 times 200 gave us 400. 3 times 10 gave us 30. So now we have these guys in parentheses. But you can't just get rid of the parentheses. How can I get rid of these parentheses so I can add them all together?
You could get an outside
Yes,
number.
yes. Go, do it. And then show everybody what you wrote. Stop. Write it and then show me what you wrote. What did you write?
I wrote 1.
Why did you write a 1 there?
Because it's a special number.
Perfect.
We need it.
Why did you write a 9? That's a special number. You're 9 years old.
I'm not 9 yet.
8 years old. You're gonna be 9. So why did you write a 1 and not a 2, not a 3, not a 4, not a 5, not 100?
Because it's a special number.
1 is a very special number. It's an understood 1. That's what they say. So now what are you gonna do with this 1?
I'm going to put it.
And what are you gonna get?
I'm going to get 40.
With parentheses or without parentheses?
Without.
Without. Why did the parentheses go away?
Because we multiplied it.
And how, yes. And how do you break parentheses off?
Multiply.
And who do you multiply when you have parentheses?
The inside number.
No. You multiply the number on the
outside.
to the numbers on the
inside.
Good job. Okay, now go here. Fix him. Get rid of his parentheses. That's not how you get rid of them. You don't just get rid of parentheses by putting your fingers around and erasing it. That's cheating. Come on, show me how to get rid of parentheses. Perfect. Now we're gonna do that 1. Show me your math thinking. Perfect. What's that gonna turn into? Nice. Now do the other guy. Good. Great. Now when we add these guys, the parentheses are gone and you have it right here. So, ready? Let's see if we really understood this.
Yes,
Watch
sir.
this. What if I gave you this? And what do you get? What's your final answer? Nice job. Very good job. Beautiful. Love it. Great job. All right, we just finished learning about the understood 1, that special 1 that's on the outside of the parentheses. You have to clear parentheses by multiplying. So Jamie did this question. We had a little 8 in there. I said, hey, how do you fix this? And Jamie, how do you fix this? What do you do?
We multiply.
Multiply who?
The outside numbers to the inside numbers.
Perfect. Who's on the outside? I don't see one. I don't see a number out there.
A 1.
Now we do. Does that change the problem?
Yes.
No. Yes, it doesn't really change like this. You know how we did this stuff on the other side? This doesn't change anything, but it helps us get our work done. Good. Now ready, watch this. Watch this. What's on the outside now?
A minus.
A minus.
8.
But you can't just multiply something by a minus sign. There's got to be a number out there. So what number is out there? Not out there? Yes. So this is a negative 1.
Negative 1.
Negative 1 times 8. You already wrote the negative 1. Negative 1 times 8. Put that arrow. Show me your thinking, please. Negative 1 times 8. Good. Now, how do you get rid of parentheses? Multiplying. And so negative 1 times 8 gives you... No. 8 subtract 1 is 7. We're not subtracting. We're not adding. You should be multiplying it. Let's see. Just think. 1 times 8. What is it?
8.
8. Now we have 1 negative sign. So guess what's going to happen to this?
Take away 1.
Put it on there. Put that negative on there. Perfect. This is your final answer. Negative 8. There is such thing as negative numbers. You'll learn that one day, and I just wanted to go over that real quick because it's really important here. Here, and now here's a super bonus. Here's a super bonus question.
If y'all can answer this, put it in the comments.
Oh, good one, Jamie. I like that. Here.
And if you can't answer it,
Still put it in the comments. Still put it in the comments. Do your best. Ready? Watch this.
That
Here it goes.
you erased something.
It's okay. It's all right. We can rewrite it. Here you go. Watch this. Here's why it's important to know the multiplication thing.
Okay.
Because when we have a question like this, 4 times 10 go. Do this one. Let's write neat. I gotta be able to read it. Okay, that's 40. How did you get that?
Because 4 times 10 equals 40.
Okay, but where's the parentheses? You haven't multiplied anybody on the outside yet. Okay, great job. Now let's do this guy. Why are you getting rid of parentheses? You don't just leave them up there, floating. Thank you. Hey, don't forget the sign that was in the middle. Okay, great. Now what?
Now we have to grab an outside number.
Good. What number is on the outside of that 40?
Nothing.
Nothing. So what are you going to put?
A 1.
Good. And what does that give you?
40
Good.
without...
Now let's do him. I'm so sorry. There's one tiny mistake. What did you do with this 10? What number did you put out here?
A 1.
What kind of 1 is it?
A minus.
It's a -1, just like this -1. So it's a -10. So what's this 40 and this 10 going to do? Are they going to get bigger and give you a 50?
No.
What's it going to give you?
It's going to give you a negative.
Why is he negative? There's no negative out here. We can't just throw negative signs wherever we want to. Let's see. He's negative. -1 times that turned him negative. Beautiful. Now we have 40 and a -10. What are you going to do with those? Are you going to put them together and get a 50?
No, we're going to subtract.
Why are you going to subtract? What tells you to subtract?
Because that's negative, and sometimes negative looks like subtract.
Perfect. It is subtract. It takes it away. So go ahead. Take it away from there. What are you going to get? What's your final answer going to be? Put a box around it so I know that you're finished. Because you have a lot of things going on in this area, and I don't know where your final answer is going to be. All right, let's see. Step away. You put a 30. Where'd you get that from?
I got it from minusing 10 because I brought it over here. Then I put it a 40 right there. Then if I subtract
Perfect.
10 and 40, it makes 30.
Great job. Ready? Let me give you the super duper hard question. Here he goes. Ready? Super duper hard question. Here he goes.
I'm ready for super duper hard. I
All
love
right.
super
All right.
duper
Let's
hard.
see.
I want to
Let's
look.
see. Go.
Let's go.
Oops. I made a mistake. I want to put this scoot over so the kids can see. I want it to be a minus sign. Sorry, I accidentally put a plus.
Then you should have reset.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Don't do that yet. You gotta fix the inside first.
Okay, inside. Let's go.
Hey, you gotta leave yourself some space. Don't make this arrow too long. It's a beautiful arrow though, but leave yourself some space so we don't have it all smashed. Don't forget, hey, come on. Let's write it nice and neat and not be too fast with it. People need to see this. This can help people learn their math. Hold on. You got all this stuff floating in the air. I'll write it if you want me to write it, but I want you to write it, so please write it nice and neat. You're doing a great job. Good. Good. And what did we forget? We forgot something. Thank you. Yeah, put it. Don't just leave it up there. Not yet. Bring it down. We'll deal with it in the next step. Just bring that sign down. There. Now, go to the next group. Perfect. Hey, what's going on here? Why are we just good? We don't leave our signs. You go back and look. So, okay, he's there. Okay, I took care of this. Okay, he's there. Now we're here. Good. Almost. Good. Now what? I see a bunch of parentheses right now. We made it simpler. We made it simpler. We made it simpler. Now let's make it even more simple. Let's break those parentheses off. Look at your work up here if you need some hints. Ah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Just missing something though. Let's see. Every time you multiply by -1, that answer is always negative. Good. All right, nice. Now on the next piece. Very good. I want to see this though. Where did he go? This plus sign. I don't know where he is. He should be right in the middle. Good. Perfect. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now on that last piece. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to write them nice and neat together. That way we can see them. We got a -30 plus 80 minus 40. So now go ahead and do this math. Which one's the biggest one?
It is a -40.
It is a -40. So which one's the biggest number? 80. And is he positive or negative?
Positive.
So let's go ahead and start looking at the other guys that are next to him. See him? Is he also positive?
No.
So is he going to build him up to be higher?
No.
What's he going to do to him?
It's gonna take away.
It's going to take away. So go ahead and write down what that's going to be. Anywhere, put it right here on that piece. That's a 40. And what are we left with?
A 30.
A -30. So is that 30 going to build him up or take him away?
Take him away.
It's going to take away. And what are you going to get?
10.
Nice. Go ahead and put a box around that we're all done. Great job, Jamie. Love it. Beautiful job. Beautiful job. She didn't even know we were going to do this today. But great job. Love it. So good. Whenever you have parentheses, what are you supposed to do?
We're supposed to multiply
Good job. Well, who do you multiply?
the numbers that are outside and inside.
Great job. What if there's a negative out here?
Ooh.
Wait. What if there is no number on the outside?
Then we have to put the special number.
What's the special number?
1.
Great job. What if there's a negative out here? Then what does that turn into?
Whenever there's only a negative,
Yep.
we're gonna need the special number.
Which one?
But we can't use it yet.
Which one would we use if we have a negative?
We would use the number 1.
Always the number 1. So even if it's negative, it doesn't change. Hey, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something. Go be great in class. Then when you walk in, people could say, oh my gosh, I'm so glad you are here. Go be a symbol of hope. People would say, oh my gosh, help your friends, help your neighbors, help yourselves, help your teachers out. And yeah, we need more. All right, heroes. You have a great day. We'll see you later.